All right, welcome back, everybody. Spring began across the northern hemisphere just a little more than 2 hours ago. It is spring in Glacier National Park, although Lake McDonald's still frozen over here. Lewistown, what a beautiful day. Temperatures up into the 40s to near 50 degrees. Look out around the Georgetown Lake area. Be careful if you are heading on to some of the lakes or the rivers here that are frozen, because that ice is beginning to melt here, certainly underneath and even on the surface there. Up on top of McDonald Pass, temperatures made it up almost to 50 degrees today. Warmer in McDonald Pass than it was out in the Helena Valley. That's because of inversions, cold air, and also some pollution trapped in the Helena Valley. It's warmer up on top of Mount Helena than it is out in the valley. 38 degrees right now, calm conditions, no wind. Look at that, sunshine in Great Falls. 46 degrees, little east wind at about 7 miles per hour. So where there is more snow on the ground, the temperatures are noticeably cooler. Like Glasgow, look at that, 13 degrees colder than Jordan. Snow a little deeper on the north end of Fort Peck Lake than on the south side of the lake. There's Havre at 42, still some snow on the ground. How about Bozeman? Only 35. West Yellowstone making it up to 50 degrees. That's a sign of spring and some warming temperatures. Air quality right now moderate for places like the Flathead Valley up around Libby, Seeley Lake, Seeley Swan, and also the Helena Valley. But overnight last night into this morning, for the second day in a row, actually air quality briefly went unhealthy. Again, that's out in the valley, so not the best air quality with the stagnation. Need a storm to kind of mix things up. Nothing here on the radar, but we've got a storm coming, and it's moving through California, Nevada, into Utah and Arizona, and eventually that storm will come up here into Montana. Watches and warnings, a few winter weather advisories and a winter storm warning down there for near the Moab area into Utah. But into the plains here, the Missouri River, a lot of the tributaries, and also the Mississippi River, these tributaries all flooded. Historic flooding here because of snow melt, but also a pretty big rainstorm coming through. Take a look at this satellite difference picture from a year ago, right around Offutt Air Force Base in Nebraska. And then there you can see the river there on the right-hand side currently, or at least a couple of days ago. And you can see how much thicker the water is, the river is in some locations, 2 miles wider than normal here. So incredible flooding going on there. Fortunately, they'll have a little drier weather coming through, and we'll be watching the storm down here to the south. It stays to the south for the next few days. Tomorrow should be another pretty nice day, but getting into Friday, clouds will increase, maybe a couple of showers in the extreme southwestern part of the state, but look for kind of an unsettled weekend here. Saturday may eke out a dry day, although mostly cloudy, but Sunday, get ready for some snow. Here's the forecast for tonight. Temperatures down into the teens and 20s. Everybody below freezing, so we'll refreeze a lot of that snow that is melting here. Careful for some icy spots. And here's the forecast for Thursday. Looking like another pretty nice day. May get out of the 30s around the Helena Valley and also around the Gallatin Valley as well. So 40s and 50s for most locations. Then into Friday, some clouds increasing. Temperatures slowly inching their way up as well. Saturday, here comes that low pressure system developing late, a little mix of some rain and snow by late on Saturday. And then Sunday, oh yeah, that's a lot of blue on the map indicating snow widespread across a lot of the state. We'll likely have a few slushy inches for the lower elevations. The mountains could get hit pretty hard here on Sunday, so keep that in mind if you're traveling up over the mountain passes. A little warmer weather Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday of next week before another storm moves in with more snow late next week.
It's back. Thank you so much, Curtis.
It never went away.
Yeah. It melted a little bit.